If you are planning to learn any programming language, you can start with Python. Why? Because it's beginners friendly. You have to write less number of line of codes. You get lots of support from the community, and yeah, with that you can cover stacks like AI, machine learning, data science, which is in demand. So in this video I'm gonna share complete resource related to Python in one repo. You just have to bookmark it and you'll get everything. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because you'll get all the latest updates related to placement, tech resources, AI, and everything. You can check out my previous videos like resume, PYQs, tech resources. And if you need any particular resource, do let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna curate and share it with you guys. So in yesterday's video, I have shared DSA kit. Again, a very good repo where I have added everything related to DSA. You don't have to spend any money or time to curate. You'll get everything at one place. Go check out this video, the link in the description. So in this repo, I have added like from roadmaps, core languages, books, courses, web developments related resources, data science, machine learning, database, APIs, testing. So all these, like with this you can cover all the tech stack of Python, like web development, machine learning, data science. Everything is added like IDs, GitHub repositories, articles, and communities where you can join and ask your queries. So let's start with these roadmaps. So as you already know, these are the roadmap.sh roadmaps, which you already know, and they have in detailed roadmaps for all the topics. So here I have added that roadmap, okay, for a Python developer, which you can go through. Even maybe I have also, yeah, I'm going to add a Python roadmap here as well, where with all the resources, okay. So what all other resources are, like all the official documentation of Python, like it's good if you start with the official documentation. Then you have key peps to know, deep dive like Python data model, Python integral, Python memory management. Then you have built-in modules to master like collections, function tools, path lib, typing. Then books which you can go through, courses and videos, right? These are some good uh, courses, free courses which you can go through. You can enroll for free and start learning. Then you have structured paid courses. Yeah, I have added because many people prefer code, because you maintain consistency, you get serious when you pay, so you can go through. Then you have YouTube channels, these Tech with Team and many more, Neuralink, Patrick. Then you have web development related like Django, Fast API, Flask. These are the important thing in Python if you are going in development. Then Django's ecosystem, Django channels, Fast API ecosystem, authentication. Then you get data science related resources, like you should be good in these libraries if you wanna go in the field of data science, like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. And then notebook exploration, Jupyter Notebook. Then you have data processing related tools, visualization, okay, machine learning. So it has all the resources for Python, and you can cover all the tech stack of Python, API. Okay, so all the resources are in one repo. Now you just have to figure it out from which to start. Like start with one link. For example, if you are going to start to learn Python, start with basic tutorial, then practice on platforms like Lead Code and many other platforms which you prefer. So yeah, if you have any doubt or you need any different type of resource, or you in for any particular topic, do let me know. I'm gonna curate and share